Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a two-toned wig, or as I call it, a split personality wig. So it has chocolate brown on one side, and on the other side it has a light blonde. And I just love to rock it. When I wear this wig I always get some stares. So let's get started. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We're going to use 3 bundles of hair, 16, 14, and a 14, and we're going to use a 40 volume developer. We're going to start with getting the chocolate brown color. So this step is really easy. All you need is the 40 volume developer, and you just apply it to the bundles. That's it, just one product. Apply it to the bundles and make sure you saturate every strand. And this does not really add color per se, it pretty much just fades the black. This procedure takes hair from a natural color to a chocolate brown color. There's another method that achieves the same result in a shorter time, and it's called a bleach bath. I can do a tutorial on that. So after applying the 40 volume developer, wrap it up in foil and let it sit for 2 to maybe 6 hours, and do the same thing with the closure. And that's a lot of time to waste or to wait on hair. Like I said, there is a quicker method to achieve the same chocolate brown, and it's called a bleach bath. It may be on YouTube already, but the method I use goes really fast and you get the exact same chocolate brown color, and it is so pretty. The amount of time hair takes to process is really just an estimate. So whatever you do, always watch your hair. Keep an eye on it. Open up the foil once in a while to see how it's looking. So I'm all done with that. This is a chocolate brown color. I know it does not really look much different, so I'm gonna hold them side by side. So that is the black color and that's the chocolate brown. You can see the difference, right? So it's a very slight difference, but sometimes I just want a certain look and I'll go for it. So, yep, black versus chocolate brown. I think it really shows. I like to sew my wigs on a mesh dome cap, to which I attach this adjustable elastic band, and I actually make these and I sell them in my Etsy store. They're sold on my website as well. So it's a 1-inch band and it enables you to change the size of your wig. You can adjust it. It gets shorter to make your wig fit tighter, and you can make it longer if your wig is too tight and you need it to be a little bit more loose. So I attach it to a cap, a mesh cap, just like that, and you can make the adjustment on the side like that. You pull the slider and it gets tighter, and then you pull it back and it becomes loose. Isn't that amazing? So I'm not going to go into details on how I constructed the wig, because this is not a wig construction video. This is a wig coloring video. I can do the construction in another video. So I'm just going to partition the hair by first of all creating the curved part. So the part on this wig is not straight, it is curved. So I'm going to create that part and then partition the hair. I'm going to put aside the part of the hair that's going to be blonde. And just so you know, I apply chocolate brown to the entire wig. So all 3 bundles of hair and the closure are chocolate brown at this point. And it kind of helps with the blonde because the hair is already partially processed. My favorite bleach to use is L'Oreal Quick Blue, and I like it because the scent is not too strong. When I use other bleaching products, the smell is just so overwhelming, I can't stand it. So I like L'Oreal Quick Blue, and I'm going to combine that with a 30 volume developer. I combine the two until I get a consistency that is acceptable. So the consistency should kind of be like toothpaste, maybe a little bit lighter, and it's going to get fluffy as you mix it up. So the consistency, I don't really go by quantities. So this is the consistency I'm talking about. So you can kind of see just visually how it should look. And then I go ahead and apply it to the part of the hair that's going to be blonde. Only the area you partition that's going to be blonde. So it's going to be a part that has some wefts, and then part of the closure is also going to be blonde. And at the roots, make sure you feather that out so that we don't have a sharp line. So hair like this has a tendency to bleach really quickly because you have already processed it once. Remember the developer, the 40 volume developer we applied to it? So that already jump started the processing. So by the time we're applying bleach, it is going to process super fast, and it is so easy for the hair to burn and for you to lose it. So it's been maybe 20 minutes, and it looks okay. So your goal should be a light yellow color, and I think I have achieved that. I did it in 3 sections. So at this point, just go ahead and wash it. So if you look really closely, you would notice that some strands of the hair are light yellow, which is exactly what we want, and some other parts are more of like an orangey color. So I went ahead and I bleached the orangey parts again because we need it to be light yellow in order for the toner to work. And for the toner, I'm using a T18, and you're going to combine this with the developer following the instructions. I think the ratio is 2:1. So if that is, I couldn't really see that. Was that 9 milliliters? Something like 9 milliliters. And then we're going to combine that with 20 volume developer. So 2:1. So we're going to put 2 parts of developer to 1 part of the toner and just combine both. And you better open up the windows because this thing stinks so bad. So go ahead and apply it to the hair. Oh, I guess I didn't bleach those orange strands a second time. Hopefully the toner takes care of it. I think the toner took care of that. So when it comes to styling, my favorite product to use is the one and only argan oil. It's available at the local beauty supply store. It's at Sally's, it's at Walmart, it's on Amazon, it's on eBay. It is sold everywhere. I've been using this for years and I love it. I recommend it. For the curling wand, I'm using a Tamana styling set, and that is the 1-inch clampless wand. And you're going to angle it just like that and then wrap the hair around it in the direction that goes away from the face. So when you wrap it up like that, hold it in place for maybe 7 seconds and then release it into your hand. Don't straighten it immediately. So keep it wrapped up in your hand. You're supposed to wear a glove for this part, but I'm so used to this, it doesn't even burn me anymore. So hold it in until it cools down and then let it go to release a beautiful curl. I'm going to show you guys again. So hold the curling wand at that angle, like a 45-degree angle, and then wrap the hair around. You're supposed to wear a glove, like I said, but I already know how this works and I don't use the glove anymore. So don't do this at home. Wear your glove. So hold it in that manner and wait about 7 seconds. And just an extra tip, when you're dealing with bleached hair or blonde hair, you need way more oil than you do for black hair. So if your hair is colored, it has been processed, so it's been stripped of a lot of its color, a lot of its shine and moisture. So you're going to need more oil or whatever moisturizer you use for regular hair. If the hair is colored, you're going to need more of that.